how to do the velocity effect on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can do the velocity effect on CapCut. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick here through the video. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you should get an interface like this. You can simply tap on new project, and here that you wish to add a video, you can simply add a video. I'll just add this 1-second video real quick here. Now once you add the video, you can see you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to select the video, just tap on the video, and then you want to tap on style option. Once you tap on style, you can see trending, velocity option, AI painting and particle. You want to simply tap on the velocity option, and all your velocity effects that's available on CapCut will be shown up right here. You can see there. You want to simply select a particular video, and it'll ask you to detect the music, and once it detects music, it'll ask you to select the music to add to your velocity effect. Now this might take some time depending on the video. Now here you can see it says add music to the project to use velocity. Simply tap on add option, and here your music should load up. You want to simply select a beat, any music that you want. I'll just select this particular one, and then it should, again, if you tap on that particular effect that you just added the music to, here I'll just tap on it again, and you can see it's generating now. Now once it generates, you'll be able to see the velocity effect on the video. Now this might take some time as well, so let it load up to 100%, and you can see the style has been applied. So this way you can do velocity on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.